So happy New Year. As you can see, it's been just kind of a more chill day. Got my second cup of coffee because I rang in the new year up until midnight. That's right. When you actually tell people that you rang in the new year and you stayed up till midnight, you know you're old when. ... Okay, so what I wanted to do is come online and show you the Epic collection. So there is an Epic Life Challenge that is free for you to join, and it's starting very, very soon. But I wanted to show you a collection that goes well with it. If you have Epicure at home, great. If you don't, that's okay. You can still participate in the free challenge, and Epicure head office runs this. There is just, you register, you can get prizes for selfies, like sweaty selfies. So they've given away like yoga gear or like exercise gear. They've given away spa gift certificates. They give away cash too. But it's not about the numbers. It's more about, you know what, making yourself healthier. And everybody has those New Year's resolutions, but you kind of go, do I have to buy that cleanse? Do I have to do this? No, you don't. You can join it for free. Absolutely. And then there's meal plans. So you can do that. You can substitute out, but this is the kind of idea where they teach you, and this is registered dietitians and doctors have actually collectively made this program better and better. Pardon the wildlife. And so what I wanted to show you is what comes in the collection. Because if you get the collection, it makes it easier to follow the menu plan. But the menu plan also comes with grocery lists too. So wouldn't you love it if you just on Friday did Instacart or collect, click and collect, and you know what? Or you just have that list for the grocery every week. Wouldn't that be great? And if you have a family, double it. It is family friendly. So who doesn't want free meal plans and ideas? Then there's recipes. So super awesome. And then by the end of the month, usually by month one, they start teaching you how to do this yourself with your own recipes. So who wouldn't want that? Stick around for a month, and then you know what? You get it for, I believe it's 90 days that they do the whole thing for, and they encourage you for exercise just to walk or stretch. Like, this is not super strenuous. This is what you want it to be, but it gives you a community, and it gives you, you can even get a buddy. If you don't have a friend to join you can get a buddy from anywhere in actually Canada or the United States now. And you can actually ask for buddies and they buddy up and you actually get new friends out of it. So it's super awesome, cool, and you can go put your great accomplishments, but as well, you can actually get support or go, I don't know what I'm doing here. Does anybody have this problem? And you know what? It is super awesome and people have completed the challenge, but it's not about the challenge. They sometimes do it 7, 8 times because they get more and more out of it. It's not about failure. It's not about perfection. It's about just taking your goals in health and life, and you know what, being able to kind of like get a little bit of support and help. Who wouldn't want that? Get some ideas. So that is absolutely completely free. In the comments below, or you can message me, just let me know what you think and if you want the registration. It's on the website. It might be a little hard to find, but there's this collection that comes with it. So as I drink my coffee and have a nice cozy fire, I'm going to show you what comes in it. So first of all, if you get the whole collection, and there's also just a food collection that if you already had the guides, it's okay. And these are all, everything can be bought separately, no joke. So there's the Epic Life Journal, okay? Good food, real results. And this is amazing because I study dietetics, and this is literally what you get with a dietitian anyways. So it talks about goals, motivation, things like that. It actually has grocery lists, but you have actually build your own meal plans, but there's meal plans to go with it. You have a daily journal, okay? So you can actually have your grocery list, and then you have your daily journal, okay? And it actually talks about your energy level, your stress level. You can track hydration. You woke up feeling, maybe you felt happy, sad, anxious, whatever, excited, drained. I'm grateful for. There's that gratitude journal right in there. And then the top priorities for your day. And then as well, do you want to do meat lists? There's breakfast, lunch, and dinner where you can plan it, as well as if you haven't planned it, you can edit it to be what you already ate. That's a great, great tool to recognize what you're eating. Just writing it down. Don't lie to yourself. This is just for you. And hide it if there's snoops in the like nosy people. And there's today's exercise and non-scale victories and tomorrow's goals and of course your glasses of water. And then you know what? Just it goes daily, but then it goes for every week. So they know that there's 7 days in a week. So the next week is right there. You just turn the page. That's it. And you can commit to this. And then that way, you know what? You have it all in one book. So I find that really interesting, and I really do recommend it outside of Epicure because Don't reinvent the wheel, people. If your dietitian or any nutritionist has asked for you to record what you eat in a day, this is really great because it also gives all that hydration and all that other information that really does affect our health. Okay, so you got the journal, so you can actually make sure that, you know what, you plan it out, but as well, that you have that just kind of journal, right, to keep track and really improve yourself. So then there's the actual guide. That's right. This guide actually is super full color, and I love it because it's sheeny, so when you're cooking, it's easy to wipe off. And then what it has is, check this out, the whole menu for the day or the week. So that actually has your breakfast, right? So it actually has breakfast, lunch, dinner, and your dessert. And that's one day, day 5, day 6, and it has all of those. But then you're like, okay, I have pictures. Yeah, you have pictures, but guess what? You then, oh great, there's more shenanigans going on upstairs. And there's more noise. Then you actually have the entire thing by text, because if you're not a picture person, it gives you exactly the amount, the servings, okay? And then it actually even has like your grocery list in there, okay? So you can transfer that into there, or you can always do it separately. And then the recipes, no joke, are all at the back. So you just go to the page and you go, pa-poom! Oh yeah, today's beet and goat cheese quinoa salad. Or tomorrow's like, hey, these are all the dinners. So they're even color-coded for dinner, and you've got lunch. And you know what? You can always use this even if you're not following the Epic Life Challenge and winning all that stuff. So there's super awesome stuff. There's a glossary in the back. And yes, that means even desserts. That's right. Truffles, people. Yeah. Yeah. It's super good. And it's really about the portions. So let's see if the portion, ooh, maybe the portion scoops are not in here. So the portion scoops, because I've been selling so many of them, the portion scoops are not in here, but it comes with portion scoops, and I'll go grab them later. But there's other items that come with in a big box. It comes in a nice big box. So you've got apple pie spice. You've got fajita. That was the first thing that I ever bought from Epicure. Asian stir fry. I use this a lot. Okay. So you've got those small jars, right? And now you're thinking, okay. Is that it? No, it's not, people. No, it's not. Okay? Then you're going to open this up. That's right. You've got vegetable broth that you can actually do quinoa and flavor your quinoa, your rice with it. Okay? Oh, that's mine. Balsamic vinaigrette. You can use this to make a vinaigrette and a salad dressing, but you can also use it for other things. That's right. There's tons of recipes. Go on the website. There's 3 onion, a very, very popular, one of the original dip mixes that Sylvie made and brought to a farmer's market. That's right. That's where Epicure started. When I have a recipe with onions, I just use that. And it makes a great dip. Very, very, everybody loves it. Mango curry is now back in stock. And yes, it's always in there. Okay, we've got summer berry, because who doesn't want some sweets in their life? And I know I'm sweet enough, but seriously. So summer berry, there you go. Okay. And we've got the marinara that if you were on my group today, my virtual kitchen, you will have seen me make the marinara sauce. That is right. And there's lemon chili. Leave so. And there's guacamole for fajitas. That's right. And you can do lots of things with it. And we've got the poco picante. Very, very popular item. A staple. All you have to do is add chopped tomatoes to it. And if you want, a splash of lime juice, whatever it is. So this is super good, and you can use it for other things as well. And you're saying, Sandra, is that it? And I'm like, it's not it. There's more. What you saying? There is more? Oh, there is more. So I'm going to show you what else there is. There is samples, okay? Samples of our chocolate protein mix. Now, the interesting thing about our protein mix is they're vegan. They're not as gritty as all those other vegans, okay? Like vegan protein mixes, that's right. So no animal products whatsoever. There's also heat-stable probiotics. You can bake with this. Okay, so this is chocolate. We have vanilla. But you can actually bake with this and you'll still get the probiotics. It won't deactivate the probiotics and those health benefits. So they have that. They have like large amounts of protein. Got actual potassium. So there's like about two bananas, like equivalent to bananas of potassium that helps with your hydration and all those kind of things. What ends up happening is, and it helps to build protein, 2 bananas in 1 scoop of our protein powder. So it's super awesome and a source of fiber. So let's see if any of your protein powders can do that. So, and we actually have the scoops. I could run and grab them, but if you want, you can just go on my page, and there's actually a product in the store that shows all of this. If you were lucky enough to get it earlier, you could have got the free enchilada sauce. I'll just show you. Enchilada sauce. It normally doesn't come with this, so sometimes they offer bonuses. There is an enchilada sauce that was special, so hopefully it's coming out mid-January in the new catalog. So, you've got all this, right? You've got your grocery lists, okay? You've got so many things where, you know what? You have, like, look, I'm going to move this table. Woohoo! Okay, you've got all this. Don't forget your protein mix. And this is great to try things out, as well as, you know what? If you're hosting, you can get this for half price. It can be one of your half price items. So if you're looking to do that, or you can be a host, and for everyone that grabs this, you only have to actually have you and 3 friends join, plus you'll get a whole bunch of free stuff in January. It's about you and 3 friends, yeah, maybe 4 friends, get 5 friends. And you know what? Then if they actually buy through your shopping link, guess what? You're going to be getting some extra free stuff. That's right. So why don't you be the ringleader, grab some friends, grab some family, coworkers, neighbors, whatever it is. And you know what? Who doesn't want actual colorful meal plans? Okay, we all download them. We all like them. We save them to our Pinterest thing. But I don't know about you. I'm old school. But to have this beautiful color and then to have it all laid out in pictures, then in text, and to have the grocery list is easy. You just go and you go, here's the Epicure products, which, yeah, you can swap these out for brand stores. But honestly, these are super, super healthy. No filler, all the flavor. Reduced sodium and sugar, usually none in them whatsoever, because we really want you to be healthy. But yeah, you know what? Pantry, you just go down the list, check, 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 check. There's actually check mark boxes that you can do this with. And then guess what? It's family friendly, and you can convert everything into vegan or vegetarian options. There's so many swaps that you can do that I highly, highly recommend it. And don't forget about that journal, because this is about you. And this is about looking at all your accomplishments and being real, not fake. And this is all for you. So put a lock on it if you really need to, or those snoopy things that people are like, ooh, wonder what that person's doing. Here she's doing. So this is kind of like the collection. Plus, you gotta have a whole group and a brand new way of winning prizes starting just next week. So I highly recommend that you check out the Epic Life Challenge, the Epic Life Collection, if you really, really want just it all set up and ready to go for you. So it's like no think, just do it. And you know what? Super easy. I hope you guys are having a great new year. I hope whatever your New Year's resolutions are, if you have any, that you know what? They're about you and good health and happiness, as well as if you don't have any and you're like me where I don't make them. I do not make New Year's resolutions. I start my new year every day because every day is a new day. So it doesn't have to be today. It doesn't have to be tomorrow. I wake up every day fresh, new, and it's always a brand new opportunity. So thank you guys for having a great 2020 with me. Welcome to 2021. There's lots to be had. And you know what? The new catalog's coming out. Super exciting. 15 new products. And I'm looking forward to serving you with Epicure good food, good health, and you know what? A couple smiles along the way. So go ahead, join my virtual kitchen group so you can actually see all my real life kind of shenanigans and adventures in my kitchen, sometimes other people's kitchens. And you know what? Get to know real life cooking with real food. And I'll always keep you healthy, as well as making sure you get a laugh or two out of probably every one of my videos. Have a good one.